Hi crafty folks, Amy here with Amy's Wares, and I have a little unboxing of a product from Glassboard Studio. Now if you aren't familiar, that is the awesome small family-owned business that creates these amazing glass boards. I got this, I don't even remember when, but I love it. It's a magnetic glass surface. This is what you see I do all my filming on, and they just recently sent me this, so I'm going to unbox it. Don't entirely know much about it because at the time of filming this, it's not even available on the website yet. So take a look. Oh, how fun. Okay, this is, look at this. This is a magnetic, whoa, that is strong. This is a magnetic ruler. So this is going to eventually be available in the shop. And I do have a coupon for this company. So if you were to get anything from Glassboard Studio, you can get a discount with my coupon code. So I will try and throw it up on the screen here and then also link it in the video description box below. But if you follow my links, that really does help me out at no additional cost to you. So this, you can see, is quite a strong magnet, and it has these measurements on it. So this is really cool. It's going to be fun to use this in my card making, and you can see this is down on here pretty strong. I'm a little curious to see. Yeah, look, it's, I mean, you can shake it, but it's gonna hold your project in place. You can measure it. It looks like it goes up to 6 inches, I think. Let me measure the ruler with a ruler. Yes, 6 inches. So you'll have these little tick marks just like on a regular ruler, and it will kind of, you know, stay down on your glass mat. Now I'll probably just keep it right on the top of my glass mat with all my other pawn magnets here. They also have, these are like the original strong magnets that they would sell with it, or that you could purchase along with your glass mat. But there's a couple other cool new styles, variations of magnets as well, so be sure to check those out. I'll try and remember to link them below, but like I said, these are the pawn style, and then there's like bar ones that are also of all the different colors in the lineup. But this ruler one, this appears to be, oh yeah, it's 3D printed. I can see the plastic on it. It felt almost like wood for a minute, but yeah, this is definitely 3D printed. You can kind of feel the little texture on it, and then this nice magnet. So I'm excited to have this on my glass surface. There may be some other new things in the shop. I think there was like a really cool kind of like hexagon storage system as well. So be sure to check out the shop. I can't speak highly enough about this amazing small family-owned business. So when you support them, just know you're supporting a small U.S. business, and I think that's just great. So thank you so much, Shannon at Glassboard Studios, for sending this to me. I'm sure you'll be seeing it in my videos, but I just wanted to pop on and do a little quick intro unboxing of this new product. And thanks for watching. I will catch you next time. I'll link everything below. Cheers.